Over the years, I've generated over $100 million in revenue over my career as a digital entrepreneur. And if I had to start all over again today using AI, I would do things very differently than when I originally started. Because everywhere you look, someone is promising you that AI is going to make you money. AI agencies, digital products, affiliate marketing, apps, e-commerce, automations, and all of these choices. But if you're a beginner, which one should you actually start with first? And more importantly, which ones can actually get you your first customer without needing a huge team, a bunch of money, or months of learning to be able to get all of the technology right? So I am going to show you the 5 AI business models that I would actually consider starting today. And I'm going to rank each one based on 4 factors. I'll break them down so you can see how easy is it to start each of these different business models, how much it costs, how quickly you can realistically get your first customer, and how much money the business will eventually make you. Because you want the big upside, right? But there is one model on this list that I think is especially good for newer entrepreneurs. Now, at the end, I will actually build from scratch the #1 model so you can see exactly how I would launch it today. And you'll follow along with me. We'll build it together on camera. Now, quick disclaimer. This is not a get-rich-quick video. We don't do that here. AI does not magically make customers throw money at you. You still need a real problem to solve, a good offer, and people that you can get to buy it. And AI lets you do these things faster and get to profitability much more quickly and simply than at any time before. So with that said, let's dive in. We have created a tier list of the 5 business models. Now, of course, I used my very own Buildy AI to make this tier list builder. And what we're going to do is we're going to break down these business models starting at the very tippy top with the S tier. And that means they are superb. And then, of course, A through F. A is fantastic. B is like, it's good. C is just right middle of the road. D is not very good. And of course, F is a total failure. So we're going to take each one of these business models and we are going to rank them. So first up, we'll start with coaching. So the coaching business model is when I see a lot of YouTubers and a lot of influencers talk about running. It was very, very popular for several years. For a beginner, I'm going to put it in the C tier here. So this is selling coaching. With selling coaching, you're selling your own time, your own skills, your own knowledge. If you have the skills, you have some specialized skills that are in high demand, and you can show and teach others how to get good at what you're good at. And that is when you can charge money for your time, and you can deliver coaching in group environments. You can deliver coaching in private one-on-one sessions like on Zoom. Friends of mine who are charging $30,000 to sell coaching to people and more. For most other people, trying to get to that point is just not really a good model. So in general, I would put the coaching model down there. In C, maybe even it's probably even close to D tier. I think for most beginners, I would say it would be D tier. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is awesome for many reasons. I'm going to move it up to the B tier. Affiliate marketing is where you're promoting other companies' stuff, other products and services that are not yours. And you don't need to service, ship, fulfill, deal with credit card processing, or any of those things. Instead, you just get really good at driving traffic and help make recommendations. And every time you refer a sale, you get paid a commission. But your job as an affiliate is to be an awesome marketer and to send traffic to those affiliate links and make sales happen. Affiliate marketing is awesome for the reason that it's got a very low barrier to entry, and it is something that you can learn if you've never done it before. Moving on, we have the AI agency model. Now, this one is one of my favorites. I'm going to pop it up here in the A tier, and that is a variation of the agency model. And this has been known by many names. So in the past, you've called it SMMA, social media marketing agency, a website design agency, or today we have our AI agency or AI automation agencies. They're all variations of really the same business model. It can be approachable for new people, but they're very simple services and simple tools that you can apply and help businesses with. So businesses need customers. They need help with their marketing desperately. Now, one of the reasons why I think this is a good model for beginners is because it's one of the fastest paths from like the moment you decide to do it to the first dollar that you get coming in the door. And there are businesses, millions of them all over the world who need and want these services. Now, the downside is there is a little bit of a learning curve, and you can start by delivering just one simple AI service. There are some tools that I can show you that make it really, really easy, but you do have to learn that one thing. And, honestly, you can probably learn it in as little as an hour and then be a master at it. So it's not that hard, really. You have to sell to businesses. Many people pick local businesses. Some people sell to e-commerce businesses, but you have to get in front of businesses and sell to them. But it does require you to actually have a conversation with those businesses, whether you can do it on Zoom or the phone, or heck, you can even do it in person. But it does require that. And you don't need to be a master salesperson, but you need to be willing to actually talk to those businesses to make this work. We'll move on here to digital products. I'm going to put it in the S tier. So it is superb. I put it there because that's what I did. Every business I start has a digital product part to it. Digital products is a fancy way of just saying, virtual things. It could be courses, could be video trainings. It could be, I see people doing templates. It could be a simple software product or app that you publish on the web. So it's a big bucket of a lot of different kinds of businesses, because all you need to do is find a group of people who have a problem that they want to solve or a goal they want to achieve. And it actually is not hard. And it has a low barrier to entry because you just have to be really good at research. That's it. You don't have to be an expert in a field. Get good at doing the research to assemble the instructions together and pass that on to your audience. This by far is the best business model. And we've got our subscription/membership. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here in the C list, okay? Subscription/membership. If you combine this idea of a recurring repeat revenue model where there's a membership area people log into or a product that they consume repeatedly. For example, let's say we're going to combine that with coaching. That could actually improve. They combine together and improve. If we combine memberships with, let's say, affiliate marketing, right? Well, how could you do that? Your recurring subscription could be a free newsletter, a free monthly product that you put out. Combine the two, or combine subscriptions with the marketing agency. So what are services that you could add on to your marketing agency that companies will pay you for monthly? Then it could be great. Now, the optimum and the absolute best combo is when we take subscriptions and we combine it here with digital products. That combination is incredibly powerful. It's not just a combination of two. We can actually roll up many of these models together. We can mix and match and put them together so that we have multiple ways of making money. So now you've now mashed three models together. You've got digital products. You've got a membership to get monthly recurring revenue. You've got affiliate products that you can roll into there. And the more of these you can roll up together, the better you're going to be. Now, as a beginner, you don't want to do that out of the gate. You want to start with one. So which of these would be the most appealing out of the three? Between coaching, subscription, affiliate, agency, or digital products. You start with that one, and then we begin to add. Let's say we start with digital products, and then maybe we roll into promoting some affiliate offers as we start to get customers. Then we add a monthly subscription and membership to that, and just sort of one after the other, combine them together. That is the best model. So is by combining them. And my favorite to combine, I'm actually going to roll them all up here. So if we put affiliate marketing, digital products, subscriptions and memberships, combined with affiliate marketing, and you can even roll up coaching. And when you blend them all together into one cohesive business, you have a powerhouse of a business. And again, start with one of these four, and then begin adding the components. And so that is the concept. And so between the two, as you can see, it's the combo business is the S tier, blending them all together. And then the next is the marketing and AI agency as a standalone all by itself. The one thing that you need is to know who you're going to help. So it's great to know, oh, we're going to mix affiliate products and memberships and digital products, but to who? Who are we going to help? Who are we going to sell those things to? The most important part of your entire business is the people you serve. That is the core of your business. So I'm going to go ahead and do our demonstration. Adults who have fallen behind with AI. We'll do our little practical part of the training today with that topic. And we have a couple of choices here. We can release digital products, have a subscription or membership area, affiliate marketing, or coaching. So I think probably my entry point is going to be a digital product. So Buildy AI is always the #1 tool I recommend to build any business. If you're not familiar with Buildy, it builds it, it hosts it, it does sales pages, e-commerce stores, lead generation funnels, it builds entire apps, it does your email marketing, it does all your social media posting and creation and marketing, ads if you want to place ads to get traffic, it does content and blogging, and so much more. It's literally every single piece your business needs to operate all in one single place. And this process is so simple, we just get to have a nice conversation.
Hey there, Bill. I'm Buildy. I can help you build a website, run market research, set up marketing campaigns, and more. What are you working on?
Yeah, hey, Buildy, I want to build a business. I want to help adults who have fallen behind when it comes to AI. Maybe they feel like they're behind the curve. The whole world is adopting AI. What I'd like to do is create some kind of digital product or digital experience or some way I can help people through a website or members area. And I need you to do some research for me. Can you go out on the web and do some research and help me understand this audience so I know how can I help them?
That is a great space to be in right now. The demand is real and growing fast. Let me get my team on this right away. I'm creating your project space now around this AI education research. Here's what the team found. Your audience is dealing with starting point paralysis, tool overload, and courses that feel stale. Their biggest fears are being outpaced by AI-fluent colleagues and feeling like it's already too late. What they want is career security, time back, and a small practical workflow system they can actually use. And their definition of success is feeling calm and visibly competent within about 2 to 4 weeks.
Yeah, well, here's what I'm thinking. So what I would like to do in building out this business is I want to start at the beginning where we can at least get people to join a mailing list. Maybe we can do like a quiz and some kind of assessment where we could give them a score on their AI readiness and give them advice on what to do next, get them on our list. And then I want to roll out in phases. The first thing that I'd like to do is create some kind of a digital product or course. Then I want to make like a recurring monthly membership and then start promoting affiliate products to them through our email list.
While we wait, one thing worth thinking about is what happens right after someone opts in. A well-timed welcome email sequence that continues the empathy and points them toward the course when it launches could be really powerful with this audience.
So, and just to confirm that, so then you can handle all of my email marketing for me and do all the follow-up like that?
Absolutely. Email is fully in my wheelhouse. I can build out multi-step sequences that go out automatically when someone joins your list, write all the copy, personalize it based on things like their quiz score, and when you're ready to send a broadcast to your whole list, I can handle that too. You just review it and hit send.
You can also help me get traffic in my first customers, is that right?
Yes, exactly. Once the site is up, I can run ad campaigns on Meta, Google Search, or even inside ChatGPT to drive targeted traffic right to your quiz. And on the organic side, I can create social media posts across Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and more to build awareness. Given that your audience is professionals and business owners, LinkedIn could be a really strong organic channel for you. The content about AI confidence and career security tends to hit hard there. Hey Bill, welcome back. The still early site is live in preview. Nice foundation to be working from.
I want to talk to you because I don't like what you came up with. I actually would like to change it. So this is not enough text copy. The copy does not speak to their frustrations and pain points as much as I would like. And the whole thing is kind of bland, and then also dig in more into the worries and concerns. This is all about learning AI. So this should look high tech and it should really have a lot more text copy than you did. I also don't think there is enough images. It needs way more images, way more kind of like loading animations and effects and things.
Got it. This is a meaningful redesign, not a small tweak. As soon as they finish the initial revamp and check back in, I'll send this second set of requirements.
So that's an example of how easy it is to redesign things. So anytime you build something in Buildy you don't like, that's the simplicity of how to make it better. You just need to speak in plain English, and you do want to be specific. So if there's something specific you want changed, you just tell him the details of that. That's it. All right, so it looks like he finished. That is the final polished design. By the way, while you're working in Buildy, you can easily see, if you want to see what it looks like on a mobile device, you can click that little button up there. That's what we'll see on a mobile device. So like that right there is not ideal. So I would tell Buildy about that and ask him to fix it. I'm happy with what he has created so far. I like that. See the little effect on the button? I like that. And by the way, if you don't have a Buildy account, it really is the tool that every entrepreneur needs. I hear from so many people trying to launch their businesses that they've got this tool that they use to build funnels, and they got this tool that they use to send emails, and they got this tool that they use to manage their leads and customers in a CRM or customer relationship management tool. And then they've got another tool that deals with their phone calling and text messaging, and another tool that does quizzes. And with Buildy, there's just one tool. And you don't have to configure. You don't have to know anything about technology. You don't have to know anything about AI. You just have a plain English conversation with him, and he takes care of all of that stuff. He's trained on all of my marketing knowledge that I have gotten over the years. He's at your side. And it's not just that he builds stuff for you. He is your mentor, your guide along the way. So if you're not sure what to do next to launch your business, you just ask him, and he will guide and advise and suggest what you should do next. There is no tool like it. And I did the math. I went out and I looked, okay, if I wanted to go buy all of those tools to do everything that Buildy does, $1,200 a month in tools. And then once you've bought the 12 different tools, then you got to figure out how to make them all work together. Then you got to learn how to use each one. None of that is applicable with Buildy. He knows how to use all the tools. Essentially, he's like the chief of your team, and you have a whole team of uniquely trained AI sub-agents is what they're called. Each of them knows how to do different tasks. Buildy's in charge of them all. And he just talks to you as the human in plain English, and then he deals with all of the tech stuff, all of the configuration, all of the coding and programming and servers and email setup and domain name registration, all of that, he does it for you. And again, you can try it for free. Buildy.ai is where you would go right now. While I'm here live recording this, there is a free trial. So if you want to test it out, of course, you can cancel if you don't like it, and you won't even pay a dime. So again, go to Buildy.ai for that.